In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to start your LLC. In the first part of the video, we'll go through the 8 steps that you need to complete in order to set up your LLC correctly. And in the second part of the video, I'll walk you through the sign up process step by step so you can just follow along. And I'd just like to disclose that I do have a relationship with the brands featured in this video and earn a referral fee at no additional cost to you when you decide to use the links in the description. So thank you very much for supporting this channel. So let's get right into it. The first step is to choose a business name for your LLC. So you want to choose a name that fits your business well, so it gives your customers a good idea of what your business does. And then most states will require you to have an LLC designator. So that means your LLC needs to end with LLC, LLC, Limited, etc. Keep in mind that if there's an existing LLC that's already has the name that you want to use, then the state will not allow you to register it and you would need to choose a different name. What you can do is go to the Secretary of State's website to check if the name is available for use. Step 2 is you need to find a registered agent. So a registered agent is someone who is authorized to receive legal documents on the behalf of your LLC. It must have a physical address where mail can be received during business hours, and there are companies out there that you can hire to serve as your registered agent. It is highly recommended to use a registered agent service so that you can keep your home address private. The next step is to file the Articles of Organization. This is the formal legal document to officially register your LLC with the state. So each state has its own rules of what needs to be included in the document. Typically, it includes your LLC's name, the purpose of your business, and your registered agent's name and address. Step 4 is to create an operating agreement. This step is not required by every state, but it is recommended to have. The purpose of this document is to outline any rules of the LLC. The next step is to obtain the EIN, which is your employer identification number. This is basically the ID number for your LLC. You will need it to file your LLC's taxes and also to open a business bank account. Step number 6 is to open a business bank account because you need to separate and also to keep track of your business expense. I like to use Noble Bank for my business checking account because it has no monthly fees. It also does not have any minimum deposit requirements, and you can do the entire setup online. So it's super convenient. In my opinion, it's a great choice, especially for new businesses. And I'll leave a direct link down below so you can check it out to see if it's a good fit for you. Step number 7 is you need to file a BOI report with FinCEN. This is a new filing requirement that applies to all LLCs. So what you need to do is to file a beneficial ownership report to FinCEN, which stands for Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, to disclose who owns 25% or more of your business. It is basically a disclosure filing, and the purpose of it is the government's attempt to reduce financial crimes with a higher level of transparency around business ownership. And starting January 1st, 2025, you will have 30 days to file this report within the company's formation. So that's a really important step to keep track of. The last step is to keep your LLC in good standing. So you need to comply with all laws and regulations with the federal government, the state government, and also the IRS. So for most states, you would need to complete the annual filing, even if your LLC was inactive. You would need to pay the annual fee, and you would need to file and pay your taxes. So the easiest way to complete all the steps that we just talked about, in my experience, is to apply for your LLC with a company called Bizee. So Bizee is what I've used several times to set up my own LLCs, and the process is always seamless, and I've always had a really good experience with them. They actually have helped over 1 million customers form their LLCs. Overall, they have a very high rating, so it's definitely a reputable company. So next you can go to the first link I listed down below in the description, and it will directly take you to this page. And then we can just click on Form Your Free LLC Now. So in here, we are going to select the entity type. So we are going to go with LLC, and you are going to select your state. So for me, I will choose Arizona. And then here you will see the 3 different packages: the basic, the standard, and the premium package. I would recommend you to go with at least the standard package, as this will include most of the things that we spoke about, including filing the Articles of Organization. You get 1 year of registered agent for free. They will also help to get you the EIN business tax number, as well as taking care of the operating agreement. So overall, I think the standard package gives you the best value. So that's what we are going to go with. So we are going to select standard and click on Get Started. So here you would just need to put down the name of your LLC. So for me, I'll just do an example. So I'll just put Derek Kumo, and then you would select a designator. So you can select any one of these designator. I'll just go with LLC. This looks the most clean. And then here you would just need to provide a brief description of your business. And after you're done, we can just click next. So here you will see the typical state filing time. So for me, it's 4 weeks. And if you're not in a hurry, then you can wait. But if you prefer to have it filed faster, then you can select the 2 business days filing time. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to select this and click next. Contact person. So you just need to put down your first name, last name, and then your email, and also your phone number, and then click next. So on this page, you can select the virtual address service. So if you want that, you can select that, and I will just say use my own address and come down here and fill in the address. And when you're done, click next. And on this page, you can see if you want to take advantage of their premium service package, which includes their lawyer approved business contracts and also domain and email. And if you don't need that, you can just come down here and click on no thanks. And then we need to provide the members information for your LLC here. So click on this drop down and select number of members. So for me, it's 1. So we click on that, come down here, click on my name, and then just simply fill out the address. When you're done, click next. All right, so this page, you need to assign a registered agent. So we can just go with assign Bizee as my registered agent for free for 1 year. Come down here and click next. And then here we have the EIN number information. So the EIN is the ID number for your business. So you can just select your name and then enter your social security number, enter your address, and then click next. And then here you can set up a small business banking account. I will just pass on this. So we can just come down here, click on no, not at this time, and then click next. You can also sign up for a tax strategy consultation. I will just select I'm not interested at this time, click on next. And then we have business licenses and permits. So every business is different. You may need different licenses or permits to operate in your state. So if you want Bizee to do that research for you, you can hire them to do it. And for right now, I would just say no thanks, I'll do the work myself, and then click next. And then we're almost done. So here is the order summary. So you want to make sure all the information is accurate. We can come down here and then click next. And this is the last page. You would just need to select your payment information. You can either use PayPal or credit card. And then you would just need to fill out your name, your card information, your billing address, and then click on complete and pay, and then you're all done. So this is the complete process of how to set up your LLC with Bizee. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment below, and I hope to see you in the next video.